If you're in Year 12 methods and you struggle with transformations, save this video because it's going to contain the secret to answer any transformation questions perfectly easily. So in this case, we have 4 different transformations that are happening at the same time. We have a dilation from the x-axis, dilation from the y-axis, reflection in the y-axis, and then a translation of 1 unit upwards. So on the screen, you can see this table, which represents all of our transformations, the x dash and y dash representations, but then you see in the last column, we actually have the functional representation of these transformations. And this is the shortcut to get any set of transformations or any image after transformations perfectly easily. So we know that from this table, dilation by a factor of 3 from the x-axis, what that essentially does is it multiplies our whole equation by 3 on the outside. So after this, after f of x, applying this transformation, we're going to get 3 f of x. And then what we're going to do is apply the next transformation on top of the previous one. So dilation from the y-axis, what that does is it divides the x value by itself by our factor. So what it means is that we're going to keep 3 f of x, but then it's going to become x over 2. And again, this is read from the table. The next one is a reflection in the y-axis. What that does is it changes your x value to become negative. So you end up getting 3f of negative x on 2. And then a translation of 1 unit up just adds 1 to our whole equation. So we end up getting 3f of negative x on 2 plus 1 on the outside. So let's say if we want to apply this set of transformations to a function, f of x is equal to the square root of x. What we can do is just evaluate this, and then this is going to give us our image equation. So our image is just going to simply be y is equal, and then apply this equation here. So we end up getting 3 square root of negative x on 2 plus 1 on the outside, and this is how to do transformations perfectly easily.